This video will show you the process for replacing the remote module in your Champion 11,000 watt Remote Start Inverter. Your unit may look slightly different depending on your model. Make sure your engine is completely cool and use a Phillips head to remove the access panels in the front and back of the unit to disconnect the battery and spark plug cap before beginning. Step 1. Use a Phillips head to remove the yellow vented access panel on the left side of the unit. Then use a 10mm socket to remove the 4 bolts holding on the control unit and lower the control unit to give you easier access to the remote module. Step 2. Use an 8mm socket to remove the 2 bolts holding on the remote module. Then disconnect the 3 wire connectors and remove the old remote module. Step 3. Take your new module, replace all 3 wire connectors in the correct orientation and location, and then set the module into place and secure the 2 bolts with an 8mm socket. Step 4. Set the control unit back into place. Finger tighten the 4 bolts and then tighten them fully with a 10mm socket. Then replace the yellow access panel, and lastly, reconnect the battery and spark plug cap and replace their access panels. Your remote module replacement is complete. Always follow the safety, operation, and maintenance instructions in your operator's manual, and for more help guides, visit the Champion Help Center at help.championpowerequipment.com.